So today we are going to solve contains duplicate from NeetCode. The question is, given an array we have to return true or false if the array contains duplicate element. In our example W, we have 1, 2, another 2. So we will return true. In another example, here there are no duplicate elements, so we'll return false. How we will solve this? Now we will compare length of W equal to length of copied array. If length of W not equal to length of copied array, set to return true. Our function has duplicate should return true if length of both of the array is not similar. So for that we'll return len nums not equal to len set version of nums. Now this should work fine. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 3. So it contains duplicate. So our function has duplicate returns true. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are all unique elements. Set version of nums and nums length both are same. So here false, doesn't contain any duplicate. Submit the code. Yeah. So all the test cases are passed. Thank you.